Thank you 2020 for the nice beer and all the jobs you brought us, or not really. We have the highest jobless rate in the US ever. So it seems we have to take our future into our own hands. I'm making this video because you need to know about 5 quarantine side hustles that you can do today. And in this video you'll learn the good ones, the actually good ones that I'm using. So if you value that, give this video a like. I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, so subscribe if you're new. And also grab a cup of coffee because you're awesome. And if you want to be shouted out in one of the next videos, comment your Instagram username, TikTok username, YouTube username or website down below. I'll promote it in one of the next videos. I take all of the comments for the shout out, I put them in this jar, and at the beginning of the video, shout out first. Okay, so the first one is actually to get free items from Craigslist depending on your city. For example, let's say that you're in Craigslist, New York. Let's say that you are in New York, so you type in something like Craigslist, New York, free, and then you can go on the Craigslist free list and check some of the things that are offered for free. For example, free desk. Someone just has to pick it up, right? Come get your bike. Chunky wool area rug. All these things are actually free. All you gotta do is go and take them. So what you can do is get free stuff from eBay, from Craigslist, get free stuff from Craigslist, and then go on eBay and list them. For example, a rug like this can cost anywhere or 24 pounds. That's like $31 for this free item. It will probably take you an hour, maybe 2 hours with transport, but you make above minimum wage in New York to do that. And Craigslist has this for a bunch of cities. For example, Jersey, Long Island, New Haven, okay, for a bunch of places. You have the different depending on your neighborhood, state, city, whatever. So this is the idea number one. The idea number two is connected with eBay and it's bidding on cheap items. You gotta leverage the situation you are in. Yes, you have issues because of this quarantine, but other people do have issues as well. So what you can leverage the situation with is actually bidding on cheap stuff. People are selling their stuff very, very cheap. If we go on rugs again, we want to search for rugs that have action or accepting offers, and you can go ahead and either bid on some rugs that are nearly expiring and are very cheap, and you can do it everywhere, worldwide shipping, whatever. They don't look too professional like this one. This one has 9 hours left, costs 10 pounds, and similar ones might cost 20 or 30. Obviously you should do it only on things you understand, if you're good with tech, computer games, card collection, I don't know, something that you understand, furniture. You should only bid on the things you understand because you want to have this edge. Obviously get only the best deals. And I actually managed to get some very cheap stuff from the accepting offers. For example, I managed to get a MacBook that cost around 1.5k at the time, and I bought it for 1k like 5 years ago or 4 years ago. The 12-inch Mac. It was second-hand. It was like used for 2 months when it came out. The first one with no ports, and I managed to get like 33% off, right? From 1.5k to 1k, that's 33%, $500 of the price, 1/3 of the price, just from the accepting offers section. And then you can resell it on your local second-hand options website. The third way is actually something that I really believe in and that I'm building right now, and it's actually YouTube. I'm going to be very transparent, so you might see my statistics right here. And if you see in the last 30 days, right, 28 days, I made $400 from YouTube. And on some days I can even make, for example, 2 days ago I made, last day I registered, I made, what did I make? $18. If we check 2020, I started making I was making less than $1 at the beginning of 2020. But because I've snowballed my videos, and right now we're uploading like twice a day, once or twice a day, from we got to $1, $3, and it's snowballing, and it's over 18 right now, and it's at the peak. Maybe we'll go to above 20 within the next week. Hopefully we can make $100 or $200 a day very soon. So it's a really good high side hustle. You can upload videos from time to time. For example, if we check my best videos in 2020, if we go on revenue, you can see that some videos actually made us like $360 for just one video, right? One video probably, and actually edited this one on my own, so it took me like 5 hours to edit. You can edit it with lower quality for an hour. Recording took like 20 minutes, scripting 10 minutes, so thumbnail maybe 15 minutes. So in less than 3 hours you can have a video like that they can earn you $300. You just gotta pick the right title. Which brings us to the fourth way to make money online in quarantine as a side hustle, something that you can do wherever you are. It's actually Instagram theme pages. I have a lot of videos on my channel on how to grow on Instagram, but the basic idea of theme pages is theme pages are these pages on Instagram that are in a particular niche, serve a particular purpose, and for example, let me show you something like motivation. And you can see this page has motivation quotes, right? Just motivation quotes. It's literally a side hustle. It started like a side hustle, now it's bigger. 2 million followers. I can tell you that this page can easily make over $10,000 a month with 2 million followers if they know what they're doing. And they probably are, because they have a website, they probably have some product around it, but they just post quotes. Like you find them online and you post them. There's a stock image behind. Really easy to do, side hustle. This is what they do. Is if you're interested more about it, if you want to learn more about it, I have a lot of videos on my channel on how to grow on Instagram. Which brings us to our fourth option, and that's building a drop servicing website or dropshipping website and then SEOing it with blog posts. You can create one a week. And the basic idea of dropshipping and drop servicing is that you're selling something that someone else is doing, right? Drop servicing is, for example, you would offer logo design on your website for $100 and then you pay someone on Fiverr $5. Same with dropshipping. It's a concept, like there's a lot of videos you can search for online, but the idea here would be, because you want to do it in quarantine with no money upfront, is you want to SEO it or ranking high in Google. For example, if you type logo design in Google, we can see that the websites, no way, this is a Shopify, or it's a tool from, okay, so we have logo makers, we have Fiverr designs, right? And if you're ranking somewhere around the top, this will bring you thousands of searches per month, maybe even per day. And this free traffic can result into paying customers. So the idea is to rank high using SEO or the effort you put in now to rank high. There's a lot of videos on my YouTube channel on how to rank high on Google. My agency can do that for you as well, Niki.co. And then you can continue reaping the rewards for a very long time. And that's what I do on my main e-commerce business. It's only it's 90% of the traffic is SEO based. If we actually go on my Google Analytics for the last year, start date 2018, you can see that on my website on Google Analytics I had to be a bit more than that. Okay, from 2018, 18th of September until now, I had nearly 500,000 people, right? And if we go here, most of them are from organic traffic. That's what 90% of them. And I built it as a side hustle. Now it's my main income source, and the same will go from the YouTube channel. I know it's gonna be a success because you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, make sure you support it, because we're a team. We have 2 video editors helping us build these videos, so you can have 1 or 2 videos a day. So remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence. And my lovely friend, by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.